go for the example. Differentiate cos inverse e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x with respect to x. So we'll consider the given function once again. I'll write it again. Cos inverse of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. तर या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये बाहेर कॉस इन्व्हर्स आहे याचा अर्थ आत या टाइप मध्ये कॉसचा कुठला फॉर्म्युला तो आठवायला पाहिजे. आणि कॉसचा असा कुठलाच फॉर्म्युला डायरेक्ट नाहीये, पण याच्यासारखा दिसणारा कॉसचा कुठला फॉर्म्युला आठवतो का? तर तो फॉर्म्युला कुठला आहे? कॉस ऑफ 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 मायनस टॅन स्क्वेअर थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस टॅन स्क्वेअर थीटा. फॉर्म्युले पाठ असणं एवढ्यासाठी गरजेचं आहे, कारण ज्याला फॉर्म्युले पाठ आहेत त्यालाच या टाईपचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करतात. आणि इथं कुठंच 1 दिसत नाहीये तर करावं लागेल. सो व्हॉट विल डू? डिव्हाइड न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनॉमिनेटर बाय e raised to x. Denominator by e raised to x. Now see what happens. It is cos inverse e raised to x minus e raised to minus x divided by e raised to x. It is divided by e raised to x plus e raised to minus x divided by e raised to x, which is equal to cos inverse e raised to x gets cancelled. It is 1 minus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x. How e raised to minus 2x. It is divided by 1 separate division plus e raised to minus x upon e raised to x. It is e raised to minus 2x. पुन्हा एकदा त्या फॉर्म्युलाकडे बघा, tan square. So if you are getting, you can go for direct substitution. Till we'll go for y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus a raised to m into n. शाळेमध्ये असलेला शिकलेला फॉर्म्युला a raised to m ब्रॅकेट raised to n. आता इथे काय होतं बघा, e raised to minus 2 into x. हा x into 2 लिहिला तर काय होईल? e raised to minus x bracket square. It is divided by 1 plus e raised to minus x bracket square, and I will call this as 2. काही केलेलं नाही, मूळचा फंक्शन फक्त थोड्याशा ऍडजस्टमेंट करून या फॉर्म मध्ये आणलाय. अजून कुठेही आपण आपल्या मेथडकडे गेलो नाही. आता मेथडकडे जाणार आहे. नाउ विल गो फॉर द सबस्टिट्यूशन. काय केलं? फॉर्म्युलेच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आणलं त्याला. पुट x is equal to, by this formula now we have to substitute, put, cancel, start. Put e raised to x is equal to tan of theta. हे दोन्ही कंपेअर केलं तर लक्षात येतं बघा. काय घ्यायचं? tan of theta. e raised to minus x, it is cancel, start. याच्यानंतर हा बघा आणि हा त्याच्याशी कंपेअर करा. लक्षात येईल तुम्हाला सबस्टिट्यूशन काय करायचं. पुट e raised to minus x is equal to tan theta. I will call this as number 3. Then 2 becomes, now we'll substitute that. Y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus e raised to minus x is tan theta, its square is tan square theta, is divided by 1 plus tan square theta, and we got this as the formula for cos inverse of cos of 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is cos of 2 theta, which is equal to cos inverse of cos gets cancelled and we are getting it as 2 theta. So this part is of simplification. Call this as 4 from 3. We are getting theta is equal to tan inverse. See, e raised to minus x is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Then 4 becomes y is equal to 2 into tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Differentiate it. And so we get it as dy by dx is equal to 2 into. Now this is composite derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Instead of x we have this bracket. So 1 upon 1 plus bracket square into derivative of bracket by composite, and the bracket is e raised to minus x. It is equal to 2 upon 1 plus e raised to minus x raised to 2 e raised to minus 2x. मगाशीच प्रॉपर्टी उलट्या दिशेने वापरली इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ ई रेस टू मायनस एक्स. सो पूर्वी एका एक्झाम्पल मध्ये डिस्कस केलं एका व्हिडिओमध्ये ई रेस टू मायनस एक्स हा कंपोजिट आहे, त्यामुळे कंपोजिटच्या मेथडनी ई रेस टू मायनस एक्स दिस इज द ब्रॅकेट इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ मायनस एक्स, and derivative of minus x is minus 1. So this is minus, the final answer is minus 2 into e raised to minus x is divided by 1 plus e raised to minus 2x, and this is the answer. So see the solution carefully. या फॉर्म मध्ये डायरेक्ट सबस्टिट्यूशन नाही सापडलं, पण कॉस इन्व्हर्स आहे तर कॉसचे फॉर्म्युला आठवले तर तो फॉर्म्युला आठवतो. So we have adjusted to bring in that formula. The formula form मध्ये त्याला आणलं इथं, and then we have substituted e raised to minus x is equal to tan theta to get that or to use that here. And so we went for the simplification. Simplification complete केला, simplified form मध्ये आला, theta साठी resubstitute केलं, येतो theta is equal to tan inverse e raised to minus x. आणि हा resubstitute केलेला फॉर्म्युला जो आहे तो डिफरन्शिएट केला आणि रिलेशन मिळालं. Okay. We'll go for the next example. Differentiate sin inverse 4 raised to x plus half upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x with respect to x. So consider the given example. Write it again. Y is equal to sin inverse of 4x raised to half is divided by 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. I will call this as first. बरेच काही काही ऍडजस्टमेंट्स इथे करावे लागणार आहेत. न्यूमरेटर मध्ये बेस 4 आहे, इथे डिनॉमिनेटर 2 आहे. एक तर हा 4 करायला लागेल किंवा हा 2 करायला लागेल. ते कसं करायचं ते बघू. याच्यासारखा दिसणारा साइनचा फॉर्म्युला कुठला आहे आठवतो का बघा. साइन 2 थीटा, साइन 3 थीटा सगळ्यात सोपे ऑप्शन्स असतात, ते चेक करायचे. आणि दॅट फॉर्म्युला इज 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. फॉर्म्युला पार्ट असेल तर सोल्युशन खूप सोपे, मगाशीच सांगितलं होतं. विच इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स हा 4 मी लिहिला 2 स्क्वेअर रेस टू x प्लस 1 हाफ, मी सोयीसाठी याला पण ब्रॅकेट घालतो, इज डिवायडेड बाय 1 प्लस हा तसाच लिहिला 2 रेस टू 4x. आणि हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे ए रेस टू एम ब्रॅकेट रेस टू एन ए रेस टू एम इंटू एन इंडायसिसचा फॉर्म्युला तो इथं वापरा, 2 रेस टू 2 जो आहे तो. सो दिस इज साइन इनवर्स 2 रेस टू दिस इज 2x plus 1 is divided by 1 plus 2 raised to 2 into 2x. हा जो 4 आहे हा लिहिला 2 into 2x. Okay, which is equal to sin inverse 2 raised to 2x into 2 raised to 1. फॉर्म्युला आहे a raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. इंडायसेसचे फॉर्म्युले शाळेमध्ये तुम्ही शिकले. We have used that in the numerator. And in the denominator, 1 plus 2 raised to 2x bracket square. आत्ताच वरती जो फॉर्म्युला a raised to m into n, m into n, किंवा याला n म्हटलं, याला m म्हटलं, 2x as it is, आणि हा into 2 होता तो पॉवर मध्ये गेला raised to 2, सेकंड फॉर्म्युला प्रमाणे. So we are getting the form y is equal to sin inverse, this is 2 into 2 raised to 2x is divided by 1 plus 2 raised to 2x, it's a square. I will put the bracket for 2 raised to 2x and see this carefully, compare with the formula. About the formula she compare कर 2, it is tan of theta divided by 1 plus tan theta, it's a square. So we'll go for the substitution. हे पहिल्यांदा दिलेल्या फंक्शन मध्ये काही ऍडजस्टमेंट्स करावे लागले. नाउ विल गो फॉर द सबस्टिट्यूशन. सबस्टिट्यूट this 2 raised to 2x is equal to tan theta, call this as 3. Then 2 becomes, see what 2 becomes now. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 into 2 raised to 2x. 2 raised to 2x is tan theta divided by 1 plus 2 raised to 2x, it's a square. 2 raised to 2x is tan theta, its square is tan square theta. Okay, and just we have seen this is formula for sin of 2 theta. So we are getting this is sin inverse sin of 2 theta, and that is we are getting y is equal to 2 theta. This is the simplified form. I will call this as 4. Now we have to go for the value of theta. From 3, theta is equal to tan inverse 2 raised to 2x. Then we are getting y is equal to 2 into tan inverse 2 raised to 2x. So this is the simplified form of the given function. Substitute करून आपण simplify केला. The same given function can be written in another form like this. Now differentiate. With respect to x, and we are getting dy by dx is equal to 2 into, now derivative of this bracket, derivative of tan inverse of this bracket. Tan inverse of derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So here it is 1 upon 1 plus bracket square into derivative of bracket. What is inside the bracket is 2 raised to 2x. 2 raised to 2x. Okay. Now this can be written as 2 divided by 1 plus 2 raised to 4x into derivative of 2 raised to 2x can be written as, it is again composite 2 raised to 2x into log of 2 into derivative of 2x, and derivative of 2x is 2. So this 2 and this 2 comes together, and we are getting the final answer as dy by dx is equal to this 2 upon 1 plus 2 raised to 4x into this part as it is 2 raised to 2x into log 2 into derivative of 2x is 2, and so dy by dx is 2 into 2 4 into 2 raised to 2x into log of 2 is divided by 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. and this is the answer of given example. One may take 4 as the power inside the log, and you may construct 2 raised to 4, and 2 raised to 4 is 16. So you may given the answer is 2 raised to 2x into log 16 divided by 1 plus 2 raised to 4x. Okay, this is the solution. That's it for this example. We'll go for the next example. Differentiate sine inverse 1 minus x cube upon 1 plus x cube. So consider the given function. Y is equal to sine inverse 1 minus x cube upon 1 plus x cube. Call this as first. Now we have no formula for sine which is in form of x cube. x cube मध्ये कुठलाच फॉर्म्युला नाही. मग असा दिसणारा कुठला फॉर्म्युला आहे? असा दिसणारा फॉर्म्युला आहे 1 मायनस tan स्क्वेअर थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वेअर थीटा, आणि हा फॉर्म्युला आहे कॉस ऑफ 2 थीटा. तर हा स्क्वेअरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आणायला पाहिजे. ही पहिली ऍडजस्टमेंट त्या पद्धतीने करायला लागेल. कसं करता येईल बघा. साइन इनवर्स 1 minus in bracket. Now I would to express this as a bracket square. यहाँ होई x raised to 3 by 2. It is divided by 1 plus x raised to 3 by 2. Its square. आला का बघा त्या फॉर्म्युल्याकडे. Now put x raised to 3 by 2 is equal to tan of theta. Call this as second. Now क्या हुई? Then y is equal to, we are getting sine inverse of 1 minus, this is tan square theta, is divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and this is sine inverse of. So we are going for the simplification. This is the substitution. Now we are going for the simplification. This is cos of 2 theta, which is equal to, as outside function is sine inverse cos, inside we have to use the allied angle formula. What is that? Sine of pi by 2 minus 2 theta will be cos of 2 theta. So this can be written as sine of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. And sine inverse and sine gets cancelled, and we are getting y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. I will call this as 3. Okay. So now, but from 2, as tan theta is equal to x raised to 3 by 2. Now theta will be tan inverse x raised to 3 by 2. Call this as 4. So because of this resubstitution, now equation this 3 becomes, using 4 in 3 we get y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 as it is into theta is tan inverse x raised to 3 by 2. Now differentiate this. So we are getting dy by dx is equal to delta pi by 2 is 0 minus 2 into. Now here it is composite. We know that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. And here instead of x we have bracket. That is derivative of tan inverse this bracket is 1 upon 1 plus bracket square into derivative of bracket by chain rule for composite function. And bracket is x raised to 3 by 2. So we are getting this is minus 2 as it is into 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 3 by 2, it's a square, so this is x cube now, into derivative of x raised to 3 by 2, derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1, so this is 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 half, and so this 2 gets cancelled with this 2, and we are getting minus this sign into 3 x raised to half is the root x divided by 1 plus x cube, and this is the answer for a derivative when the function is y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x cube upon 1 plus x cube. So this is the solution. That's it for this example. So these are the few examples on the method or type 4 in derivative of inverse trigonometric function, and the method is derivative after substitution, simplification and resubstitution. पहिल्यांदा substitute करा, दिला trigonometric part simplify करा, त्यामुळे inverse trigonometric cancel होईल, जो simplified form येईल त्याच्यामध्ये परत resubstitution करा आणि मग differentiate करा. या टाइपचे examples solve करा, नक्की तुम्ही ते सोडवू शकाल.